Meaning of command economy.
Command economy.
Command economy.
Command economy.
Command economy. A command economy is a type of economic system in which the government controls most aspects of production, distribution, and pricing. The government makes all decisions regarding the allocation of resources and sets targets for various industries. This system has been criticized for being inflexible and inefficient, as the government may have difficulty responding to changes in demand or technological advancements. The result of a command economy is often a lack of innovation and slow economic growth due to the absence of competition and incentives for individual effort and initiative.